Namaskar friends, this is Acharya Raman here. I am going to talk about how 2021 is going to be for all the ascendants from Aries to Pisces. Saturn is transiting in the star of Sun, Jupiter is in the star of Sun, Rahu will be in Mars star and Ketu will be in Mercury star. These are the four main planets which basically decide how the world is going to be for the coming 1 year to 2.5 years depending upon the transits of the planets. And if you are running the period of these planets, then the effect are going to be maximum, otherwise the effect are not going to be so direct. We are passing through the age of Corona, so Corona is not going to go in 2021 also, and after studying the horoscopes of over 100 people, I personally came to the conclusion that Rahu is the main factor or Ketu is the main factor, because Rahu was the only thing common in those 100 horoscopes. All the people who had acquired Corona globally had Rahu running in their Dasha Bhukti Yantra, or their Dasha Lord was in Rahu star, or the Dasha Lord was conjoined with Rahu, or Rahu was sitting in the sign of that Dasha Lord. So these are the points, after studying which I came to the conclusion that if you are running the period of any planet which is in the star of Rahu or sub of Rahu, or you are running or if you are running the dasha of Rahu or Ketu, then be very careful. Do not go out without mask. Keep your hands sanitized. Keep washing your hands. Keep away from strangers. Do not travel until unless it is very necessary. And also at that time be very careful, very strict. Otherwise there is no way you can stop yourself from having Corona. Said this, you may be wanting to talk to me again and again, so all you have to do is one simple thing. Just go to the Play Store and download our app, Varta app, AstroSage Varta app. So you can download it and you can call me directly after refilling. So why are you waiting? Just download the app and call me. And suppose if you don't find me on the app, or maybe I am offline, so you can call our customer care. They will arrange a call within very few minutes. So now let me start the horoscope of all the 12 ascendants. Coming to Cancer horoscope 2021. As far as your family life is concerned, till April there will be some or other issues cropping up, but then later things will be better. You need to make sure that you do not put your emotions on top of other members of the family, otherwise no one is going to give a damn about your thoughts. You will be having goodness after April in this regard. Coming to your love life, 2021 is definitely not a good year for any of you. If not an end, there will be many stages from where you will not want to continue your journey of love forward. Only your farsightedness and patience will be your savior. Coming to your married life. Your married life is not going to be good this year. You will be having many problems, including lack of understanding and lack of respect from your spouse. It is just that you want to continue your relation, that is why you will continue. Otherwise, many of you will find someone with whom you can share your feelings. Coming to your job prospects, people having Mars, Sun, Venus, Rahu Dasha will have great career this year. Those with Saturn, Jupiter and Ketu will not have such success. People with Ketu Dasha will lose their jobs or may get demoted in their respective field of work. Coming to your business, except people with Mars, Rahu and Sun Dasha, others will not be able to make exceptional profits. Business will be good for all, but these people will have maximum share of the pie. You should not get over pampered by the success, and what has come has to go one day. Keep a low profile and do not share your success with others, as you will get only jealousy in return. Finance will be good for people, I already said. There is not much to invest or save for others. Property and vehicles, do not buy anything big if you are having the Dasha of Ketu, Saturn or Jupiter this year, otherwise you will surely regret it. This year is overall not good for any such purchases. Coming to the prospects of accidents. Month of February, June, December will be the months when you should be most careful with your ride. So friends, this was all for horoscope 2021. Some may find it good, some may not find it very good. This is what I can come up with, seeing the rotation of the planets. If you want to talk to me, you just download the Varta app and give me a call. But first of all, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get all the videos from our side. As for now, नमस्कार।
एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।